The error code E5 in a Bosch boiler indicates that the flow pipe is overheating. This issue can be caused by several factors, including a blocked pressure release valve, a damaged heating pump, or a faulty thermistor. To fix the error, start by cleaning the pressure release valve. Turn off the boiler, disconnect it, and locate the valve at the back of the unit where it terminates outside. Remove the top of the valve and gently brush away any visible contaminants, such as dirt or sludge, using warm water. If the issue persists, the heating pump may need to be replaced, which involves turning off the water and power supply, closing the water valves, and draining the water from the pump before removing and replacing it. Finally, if the thermistor is faulty, inspect it for physical signs of damage, such as separation between the resistor element and the lead material, and replace it with a new one if necessary. By addressing these potential causes, the error code E5 can be resolved and the boiler can function properly again.